Welcome to Champion EdTech. In this video, we'll show you how we used OpenAI's o1 Preview and o1 Mini models to create a classic snake game from scratch. Let's dive into the process and the challenges we faced along the way. We started by setting up the game using a single HTML block with embedded JavaScript and CSS. Here's the initial prompt we used. Implement snake with HTML plus JS plus CSS. The entire code should be written in a single HTML block with embedded JS and CSS. Don't use any remote assets. After opening the HTML, the user will need to hit space to start/restart the game. The snake will randomly go in one direction at the start and use WASD to control the direction of the snake. Make it pretty and the playground large. However, the first version we got back didn't include the WASD controls, and the score wasn't updating correctly. So, we had to iterate with follow-up prompts to ensure these features were correctly implemented. After a few iterations, we managed to get the controls working, but the game still had issues, like missing objects and the score not updating properly when the snake ate the fruit. We had to refine our prompts, focusing on these specific issues. Here's how we adjusted the prompt to fix the score and add missing objects. With these refinements, the game became more complete and closer to a production-ready state. Here's the final version, with all the issues resolved. Using OpenAI's o1 Preview and o1 Mini, we were able to troubleshoot and optimize the game effectively. These models offer powerful tools for developers, making it easier to iterate and improve on coding tasks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Champion EdTech. We've got more AI-powered development projects coming your way, so stay tuned.